Before we can work the first pearls into the braid, we first need to get these cords, the bead cords, completely centered between the fiber cords. Since they've been braided with these fiber cords, they tend to be a little off kilter. So to do this, we'll have to go underneath the bead cords. My hand at the top is facing the gold cord that I'll be picking up, and my hand at the bottom is also facing the gold cords. You notice they're going towards each other but facing in opposite directions. It'll be this way for all these moves. So I go underneath this cord and I move. Now again, on the sides it's probably a little more difficult. You want to pick up the gold cord again. So what do you have to do? I have to face my hand in the direction of the gold cord, and over here face in the direction of this gold cord. So I go underneath here and underneath here, and I continue. Now to do the other color, I go underneath in this direction. So I'll be going like this, pick this up, and I move counterclockwise. Again, I have to go in this direction for this one and this direction for this one. So now, and continue counterclockwise. For the next rep, I will be working as normal without going underneath any cords. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I think you can see the difference, that these cords are completely centered between the fiber cords. And then what I've just done is I've tightened them, and now I can drop my first set of pearls into the braid. I drop all 4 pearls into the point of braiding, and then I pick up the bead cords and I turn and place them between braid B. Do the same with this one and place between braid B. After I do that, I bring my braid A cords back together. From now on, you can work as usual because the bead cords will be centered between the fiber cords. However, the braid does look a little peculiar when you're working. So if you notice, right now, there's lots of pulling going on, which doesn't look quite right. But go ahead and do your second rep, and it will straighten out. Now I pull the cords again, drop the beads, pull the cords, drop the beads, and now I do my switch to braid A. Reposition the braid bead cords close together, and I'm ready to go. I'm now going to show you an alternate way of doing the twist on the bead cords. So when I'm here and I've tightened the bead cord, I can drop the pearls down to the point of braiding and then immediately do the twist on those 2 cords. And then come here and pull and drop those in, and then do that twist. You don't have to do both twists at the same time. Just, you have to remember there's 3 steps. First, you tighten the cords, drop the pearls, do your twist. And just make sure you do that each time. You continue to work in this manner until all the pearls have been worked into the braid.